In this video, you'll learn how to iterate your Base44 prompts effectively. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to create and refine your app prompts using the Base44 platform. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see a welcoming interface that invites you to build applications quickly using artificial intelligence. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Start Building. This button is typically prominently displayed on the home page. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen where you can choose the type of application you wish to create. Once this screen appears, look for the section that states, "What will you build today?" Click on this prompt to proceed. This action will open up options for you to explore different app ideas and functionalities. After that, you will see an option to describe your app idea below or get inspired by our templates. Click on this area to begin inputting your initial thoughts or select a template that aligns with your vision. Now, they've got to cup in a prompt for your app. This is where you can express your ideas clearly. Make sure your prompt is concise and specific, as this will guide the app generation process effectively. You can also click on the Ideas section if you want additional inspiration. This feature will present various suggestions based on current trends and popular applications. Choose an idea that resonates with you. This selection will help you focus your app's direction and functionality. After making your choice, proceed to the next step. Click on the category ideas to explore relevant themes and functionalities. This step allows you to refine your app's concept further, ensuring it aligns with user expectations. After selecting a category, click on Enter to confirm your choices. This confirmation is important as it validates your selections and prepares the system for the next steps. A message will then appear stating, "Let's build your app." This is your indication that the system is ready to assist you in generating your application based on the prompts and ideas you have provided. Next, click on the prompt that you wish to iterate. This action will take you to a detailed editing interface where you can refine your prompt further. Type in a prompt that suits your app idea. This is a crucial step, as it defines the core functionality and purpose of your application. If you wish, you can click on Suggestions to view additional ideas or prompts that may enhance your app. This feature is designed to provide you with creative alternatives. Wait patiently for the app to generate based on the inputs you've provided. The generation process may take a moment, depending on the complexity of the app you are creating. Finally, you will see a message stating that you have successfully created an app. This confirmation indicates that your iteration process is complete and your app is now ready for further testing or deployment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.